Red, that's my favorite color. Or maybe blue, that's my other favorite color. Oh, wait, yellow. Yellow is nice too.
Hello, Manny. Tools.
Hola, Mr. Lopart.
Would you like a balloon with my picture on it?
Okay. Gracias, Mr. Lopart.
I'm gonna give out these balloons at the big race. Maybe get some new customers for the candy store. Say, that's some sweet ride you've got there.
It's my new race car. I'm gonna drive it in the Wood Valley 500.
You know, there was a time when I was very well known around the racing circuit. In fact, they used to call me Wheels Lopart.
I didn't know that, Mr. Lopart.
Hey, how would you like me to paint your car a nice, bright, shiny candy apple red?
Ah, that would look really cool.
And since I'll already have the paint out, maybe I could paint my face on the hood. You know, remind folks to shop at Lopart's candy store.
Sounds good to me.
All I need to do is figure out how much paint I'll need. Mind holding these balloons while I take a look, Rusty?
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sussex County in southern Delaware until midnight. It's 11:36 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mobile, or 13 miles north of Ocean City, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Milton, Millville, Long Neck, and Ocean View. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, thanks, Manny.
My problema, Rusty. Sorry about your balloons, Mr. Lopart.
That's okay, Manny. Well, I better get this car painted so it's ready in time for the race.